Hello, this is Team 24, Alpaca 3. We're creating a custom GPT solution for Liminal Works. Who is Liminal Works? Liminal Works is a nonprofit that helps grassroots organizers and activists by co-designing and developing technology that supports their community work. What is a theory of change? A theory of change is an actionable plan to achieve goals and secure funding for change. Problem statements. Liminal Works currently relies on its volunteers to ask the activists a series of questions to develop theories of change. The process is time-consuming and often subjective. We can leverage AI to automate the process. Explaining how our code works. The user will answer the theory of change questions either by text or uploading a PDF. The front end will then query the GPT API, which will generate a general answer that is fed into the vector database. The database uses TOC rules to classify it as a good or bad theory of change, and then asks for a follow-up question to the user. After getting the clarification it needs, it will print out the correct theory of change.
For our code and UX documentation, as you can see, it's very straightforward on how to understand how to use this website. A user is able to write text here and then submit a question, and they're also able to browse their files to upload a file. For polishing, our product is very functional. There's almost, I won't say there's nothing, but there's not much left to implement. We could add like more features for the future, such as the company UI to see how the clients are using this website and like what kind of questions they usually ask. As for deploying in the cloud, currently we are working on a prototype to deploy in the cloud. We have a prototype that works.
So let's check the demo of this website. So there are two ways to input, either by PDF or text. Let's see what text we can put in. So that is the answer, whichever is generated is basically lies in the area of theory of change. So for this question, it says that it's outside its premises because the question is not related to theory of change. What is this answers.pdf file? So answers.pdf file is a recorded conversation between the workers at Liminal Works and the activist. So the basic requirement for Liminal Works to make this project was to make sure that they have a AI agent which helps them to analyze the answers given by the activist and whether those answers are lying in the vision of a theory of change or not. And our content generation file is, so there are like all 17 questions, and for that what are the different suggestions the GPT the AI agent has suggested. Like for the first question, so this is what it has suggested, and it have also asked like what other question you can ask.